To get started, visit the official website by searching for it on Google. Once on the site, you will need to log into your profile or register if you haven't already. The website's homepage features a language changer, options to list your property, sport, trips, and your profile, all located at the top of the screen. In the middle of the page, you can search for specific things. To obtain a discount, visit the coupon page, which can be found at the link expedia.com/lp/b/coupons. Here, you can find the latest promo codes for hotels, flights, and vacation packages. It's also a good idea to subscribe to the newsletter or alerts to receive updates on special offers and discounts. Additionally, you can combine flights, hotels, and car rentals into a package deal to save even more. The website also offers special discounts for students, so it's worth checking if you're eligible. Sometimes, the app has exclusive deals and discounts that aren't available on the website. Traveling during off-peak times can also result in low prices. By following these tips, you can get discounts and make the most of your experience. The website provides various tools and features to help you find the best deals, and with a little planning, you can save money and have a great time.